Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to upgrade your taillights on your Mercedes-Benz ML class W164. I'm going to be upgrading to the LED taillights which were introduced in the later models. So without wasting any time, let's get started. These aftermarket taillights come with a few modules attached to the wiring. These modules are so you don't get any errors. Installation is pretty easy. You just plug in the wire, align it to the body with this one screw, and then you just tighten all 4 nuts to the screw, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.